Okay, so I'm here in the design and I'm just not crazy about it. I think part of the problem is that whatever this sort of tail thing is too fat. So I think I want to remove that, make it look a little bit less like a cattail, I guess. As usual, we're just figuring it out on the fly. Yeah, already I like this a lot better. I think this just makes a lot more sense. We sand. So after looking at it again and kind of get a feel for the shadow line here, kind of wondering, like if I were to start this over, I would still do this top cut here, but I would definitely fade this out a little bit more. I don't think that it needs to be a wrapping solid here. I think there's a way to make this bowl like this, where that's sort of the primary look and feel. I think that that is really nice and really interesting. Nice and tactile, you know, just kind of makes you want to put your thumb on it right there. I'm not sure what this second curve is adding. The problem is I think I'm a little bit deep here. Like if I wanted to actually blend this out, I'd be getting pretty thin on the inside, so I think we're gonna finish this one out as is, but you'll probably see me do this version at some point in the future, because I just think, I don't know, I think that's really nice.